Bethany, and for Christmas I got the My American Girl Gymnastics set. So I decided to do a review on it. So let's get into it. So the box is just purple and red. This is my favorite color, by the way, purple. And as you can see, I'm sitting on my bang bang chair I got for Christmas. And so let's open it up. So first, when you open it up, you see the cheese mat. So it's right there. It's watch it. It's a pink cheese mat with a side star logo there and there. And here's the mat. So let's open up the mat. The mat. I love the mat. So the mat is blue with stars on it, and the bottom is just silver. And this is going to be really good for just playing, like having fake gymnastics meets with your dolls. So that's the blue mat, and it's pretty squishy. This is pretty squishy too. And I'm going to do that after. This is a beam, so it is a normal color beam. McKenna's gymnastics set, her beam is pink, but this one's the same color as a normal beam. It's hard plastic underneath this, and this is sort of pretty much the hard plastic covered in a leather. The last part, the best part, is the bar. I'm just gonna quickly read these. Ready. Well, I'm going to set this up and I'll be right back. So I got Isabel here, which is I also got for Christmas. She's in her pajamas right now, so don't mind that. So I'm going to show you how to put her hands in the bar. So the grips have Velcro, and what you do is you put her hand on the bar, and then you wrap this around, and it's just Velcro, so put that on and do it for both of her hands. Alrighty, so, oh, I forgot to say, the bar is pink and silver, and this part is the color of a normal bar. So we're going to try this. She's doing a giant. Oh, this is really hard. Ugh! Her slippers are coming off. I'm going to take those off. Ugh, her hair's all naughty. Okay, ready. And 1, 2, 3, back hip circle. Forward thingy. Pull over. Ta-da! That was my little routine. The only thing I found hard about this is that this thing kept on going like this while she was on the bar, like, yeah, and her pants were falling down. Maybe I should pull that up. Sorry, Isabel, we're putting that in the video. Here's a little thing of the beam. About this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do a back walkover. We'll try to make her do a back walkover. Front area. Round. I really liked the set, and it's probably like, I love it so much I have to give it a 5 out of 5. There's nothing bad about it except that this doesn't stay up really that well, so I'm going to have to get something to hold it down and stuff. But besides that, I love it so much, and this is going to keep me occupied for a long time. Isabel is going to say bye. Ready? No, just joking. Yeah. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my Christmas Eve video, my Christmas Day video. And ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye! 2. I'm gonna try to cut some. So we